What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. I'm back with another video today, man, and as you can see, my dog just entered the frame and he's out of there, man. But anyway, man, I appreciate you guys. Yo, he's back again. What is going on, man? We're gonna try this again, man. I'm back with another video today, man, and you know what time it is, gang. We just had a drop over the weekend, man, and I just want to say shout out to my people out there that really had a great weekend. I know the feeling this past weekend, man. We had a really good weekend. It was an eventful weekend. Got a chance to see my little cousin get married. Shout out to my cousin Devin, man. I'm proud of you, bruh. The wedding was beautiful. Your wife, beautiful. Suits, fire, man. I just, man, really, I can't even put into words, bro, like how proud I am of you for doing it the right way out here, bro. Being young and successful and, you know, found your wife and you're just doing your thing, bro. I'm super proud of you, man. So me and my wife had the pleasure to go to the wedding this weekend. Got to see some family we haven't seen in a while. And yeah, man, it was a beautiful event. Beautiful event, man. I literally shed a tear. But you wouldn't be able to see it up under the Versace shades, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I asked my wife, was it too much, man, to put the shades on today? And she said, it's your video, do what you want to do. So I said, man, I'm throwing the shades on, gang, man. You know, it's one of my accessories I recently picked up. So, you know, tell me if y'all think the shades is too much in the comment section below. Tell me if you think it's okay. But either way, man, it's YouTube, man. We're creating genuine, authentic content over here. And that's what you're here for on the channel, man. But you know I got another review for you. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I got the box right here. And as you can see, man, we got a gray Nike box, man. We got black Nike going across with that black swoosh. And the box reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. The colorway is black, medium gray, and white. And that is a men's size 12. Y'all see. Top is off of the box, man. Simple box, nothing too crazy. We ain't gonna talk about that. You got your gray tissue paper in here. For real, I think it's gray. It is gray, you know what I'm saying? It is gray. Anyway, inside this box though, man. We got the OG Jordan Low Shadow, man. What y'all thinking about that, man? Real smooth. So my initial reaction on this shoe straight out the box, I'm gonna be real. I am super surprised. I ain't even surprised no more. Like we talked about on this channel that because shoes are accessible nowadays, that everybody has a problem with shoes being accessible. Except for me, man. Except for me, except for you. You know what I'm saying? It's just the weird, like, hype beast, like sneaker people that be mad because people could just walk in the store and buy a shoe now. What is the beef with that? Like, if you like a shoe, you know what I mean? The fact that we can walk in and go get it, isn't that a beautiful thing? With the exception of the Travis Scotts. And do we even truly like them? I think a lot of people, we just, you know, and I say we because even me, I went after the Travis Scotts because of, you know, the fact it's a Travis Scott. Like, who wouldn't want to get it for retail? But honestly, my world ain't gonna end if I don't own a pair of Travis Scotts. Like, I really don't care that much. But the fact that they don't even release enough pairs of those, they want to continue to make people, or at least the hype beast culture, feel like they own something that everybody can't have. You know what I'm saying? You know, that ain't what we do over here on the channel. We bringing y'all some real heat to the channel. And this shoe right here, it's some heat to me, man. You know, the Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0s, I have those. I don't have the 1.0. I don't have the OG. But this low is reminiscent of the OG. It's a beautiful shoe, man. Top quality leather right here going around the toe cap on the side. We got that gray Nike swoosh right there. Also in some pretty decent leather. Feels like along the back, I want to say they gotta be leather, gang. Yeah, they gotta be leather, yeah, across the back. These dark shades, man. I don't know how many videos I'm gonna record in these because I can't see nothing, dog. Like, I can't see nothing. I can see. But I don't want to hit the old man and have to lift them up or put them down, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, hey, I ain't trying to do that yet, even though I'm be 40 next year. I ain't old, gang. We got the white midsole right there. We got a black sole on the shoe. The leather on that toe box is okay. I don't think it's as good as the leather going around the toe cap and on the side, but it's a decent leather right there. We got those black laces on the tab right there on the tongue. We got that Nike tag, Nike Air tag with the Nike Air in gray and a gray swoosh. And of course you got that Jordan wing on the back. Just a pretty nice shoe overall, man. I ain't even mad at it. All right, man, so for a retail price point of $140, you can walk in the store and grab this shoe today. You know, I was super surprised that House of Hoops didn't get these. You know, I had reached out to my homie over there, House of Hoops in South Park. You know who you is, man. Shout out to you, dog. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you for always keeping me in the loop and keeping me in mind when stuff come out. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's always good to have relationships with people in these stores because so many sneaker resellers have used managers at stores and things like that. Like when I go to my sneaker stores, you know what I'm saying, whether I buy something or not, I genuinely go check on my people. You know what I'm saying? We check on each other on social media. We support each other. And honestly, that's what it's about, bro. Genuine support. You know, it ain't just about if you can get me a shoe or not, because honestly, right, for the right amount of money, anybody can buy what they want. But being able to talk to somebody in the sneaker store, get some true information, you know what I'm saying? Like, know that they shooting you straight and they trying to cap with you like some of these sneaker stores are. You know, you got managers at stores where people be hating and stuff, you know what I mean? For no reason. So, in the end of the day, man, I really, really appreciate the real ones, man. Shout out to House of Hoops. Shout out to Hibbett Sports, man. Speaking of Hibbett Sports, when I was over there this past weekend, I got a chance to actually meet one of my subscribers, man. So that was a pretty unique and cool interaction that I had. You know, I was outside with my clothes and, you know, I had the opportunity to run across somebody that actually had checked out one of my videos. And, you know, to take it an even step further, man, we connected on some similar interests as far as not just sneakers, but how the sneaker culture is. And for him to tell me that that's why he checks out my videos because of the authenticity, that's telling me that I'm headed in the right direction, man. You know, so I really, really, really appreciate him. And, you know, I hope you're watching this video, dog. You know what I'm saying? I really do appreciate you, man. It was a pleasure meeting you this weekend. But I will say this, man, before we get into the next segment. If you haven't already, click the link in the description box below and go to rawmelonclothing.com. Yo, I got heat on the way and then more heat after that. And more heat after that, bro. I promise you I'm bringing y'all nothing but heat all summer and the prices, you can't beat them. So lock in with me, gang. You know we do this fashion stuff over here. We do this sneaker stuff over here. We do this sports and this life stuff over here, man. So lock in with me today. All right, man. So we're about to get into what I like to call over here on the channel, man, the quality control segment. That's when we bring out the second shoe. Dang. I had to dip down and catch that, man. Wish we could do an instant replay. You know what I'm saying? I could figure out how to do that in the editing. But anyway, man, we pull out the second shoe and we do a side-by-side comparison. And as you can see right here in this second shoe, we got an alternate pair of gray laces right there. So tell me which one would you rock? Would you keep it black? Would you do gray? Or would you do one black and one gray? Or would you switch it all the way up and put a different color in here? Let me know what you think about the lace swap in the comment section below. We're going to go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison and just take a look at this shoe, man. I think it's been a while since I brought a Jordan 1 low to the channel. I think this may be the third or fourth low that I brought to the channel that I can remember. In this year that I've been doing this thing. So this by far, I think is one of my favorites. I think the black toes were pretty nice as well, but these shadows are really nice. Really, really smooth color. I actually was gonna wear these to the wedding, but then, you know, after getting a second opinion from my wife, you know what I'm saying? I ended up throwing on some fours and, you know, with my suit and I rocked it out that way. But overall, man, I don't see any issues with this shoe. The leather looks great. No scratches, no glue stains. And this one don't smell as strong. Like the last few pair of shoes, man, that I got out the box, man, really, really strong glue odor or whatever coming off of the shoe. But this shoe looks really, really good. Nike did a good job, man. Premium quality, Nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong at all, bro. There's really nothing to talk about, man. Awesome. So I gotta talk about styling and give you guys a rating before I get out of here. Honestly, like I told you, I considered wearing these with a suit. So that tells you that this is a shoe that you can dress up, you can dress down, you can throw on with shorts, man. It's actually pretty comfortable. You know, most Jordan 1s, you know, they get a bad rap for not being the most comfortable shoe, and people really, you know, who love Jordans don't always necessarily want to talk about that, but I'm gonna be real with you. Like, a lot of my Jordans ain't super comfortable, you know, but this shoe, when I put it on, even though I didn't walk around in it all day, it did feel comfortable initially when I put my foot in it. But you can style this a bunch of different ways, but definitely with it being a low, you can throw on some shorts with it, chill out, man. You know, if you want to go on a date night, you can do date night with these joints. So this is a very versatile shoe, and the color blocking is so simple, you know, that you're able to pretty much wear it with anything with that gray and that black. If you want to switch it up, throw some white laces in there, man, you can really do your thing with it for sure, man. So not a hard shoe to style, but as far as rating, man, as far as rating goes, as my dog is going crazy in the background, he is just, bruh, just off the chain, bro. He getting big, 29 pounds now. We took him to the vet, what, last week? Last week we took him to the vet, so he's gained almost 5 pounds since the previous, well, that was 4 weeks. So in 4 weeks he gained 5 pounds, so he's a little over halfway to his adult weight. But yeah, dog he's just being here going crazy. My wife keep buying him new toys. He got a new giraffe, and that thing, I'm talking about, like, he will not leave a giraffe alone. He will not go nowhere without his giraffe, dog. But anyway, man, that's the update on my dog, Monty. But as far as the rating goes for this shoe, and I'm thinking about the other Jordan 1s, lows that I brought to the channel, I'm gonna keep those in mind. And with that being said, for this Jordan 1 low shadow, matter of fact, my wife got the, you done gave him the, and it squeaks. And gave this man a giraffe and it squeak, and he literally fighting her for it in the background. Anyway, man, my rating for this shoe, man, I'm a smooth go 7 out of 10, man. I really like this shoe. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I like this shoe. I considered wearing it as soon as I got it. And you know that feeling when you get a shoe and you wanna put it on right away. That's how I was feeling with that. And on top of that, it low key go with my hoodie, you know what I'm saying? It went with my suit. Like, you know, I can definitely see myself wearing this shoe and styling this shoe multiple times, man. Tell me if you think a 7 out of 10 is too high in the comment section below and why. Tell me if you think it's too low in the comment section below and why. But as always, man, you know the saying, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.